Welcome to this tutorial on adding a checkbox or checklist in WordPress. In this demonstration, we will walk through the process step by step so you can effortlessly incorporate checklists into your website. We begin by directing you to go to the WordPress website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official WordPress site, ensuring you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Once you have reached the WordPress homepage, you will notice a login option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this login button, as it is the gateway to accessing the customizations available on your website. Logging in gives you full control over your site's features. After clicking the login button, you will see another option that says Continue with Google. This method provides a secure and efficient way to verify your identity without needing to remember additional passwords. After you select the Continue with Google option, a prompt will present a list of Google accounts. From that list, simply choose the account you wish to use with WordPress. Keep in mind that it is important to use the account linked to your WordPress site management, as mixing accounts may lead to confusion later. Choosing your Google account successfully will take you into the WordPress dashboard. Within your WordPress dashboard, you will find a section called Quick Links. In this segment, you are able to quickly access various settings and tools related to your website. Locate the link labeled Edit Site within the Quick Links section and click on it. This action will direct you to the site editor, which is your workspace for making changes to your website's layout and content. Once you have entered the site editor interface, you will see a representation of your actual website. Locate your website among the list of available pages or designs and click on it to begin the editing process. By clicking on your website, you now enter a live editing environment where you can modify the design and add new features easily. To add a new element to your site, you need to locate the plus icon, which is positioned in the top left corner of the site editor. This icon is an entry point to a menu containing all sorts of components that can be added to your website. When you click on the plus icon, you get a search bar where you can type the name of the element you want to add. Enter the word checkbox into the search bar. This search is designed to filter through available elements so that you can quickly locate the checkbox component. After the search returns the checkbox element, go ahead and click on it. This will add the checkbox component to your website page. It is a straightforward process that allows you to incorporate lists and checkboxes wherever needed. Finally, when you are satisfied with the location and appearance of the checkbox, you should click on the Save button, which can be found on the top right corner of the editor. Saving your changes ensures that every modification is recorded and visible on your live website. By following these steps in sequence, you can easily add a functional checkbox or checklist to your WordPress site, enhancing the interactivity and organization of your content. Enjoy the simplicity of WordPress editing and the added functionality that checklists bring to your website.